So a factor. Factors are numbers that you multiply together to get another number. If we know the number, we can figure out its factors. One of the factors of a number is always 1 and itself. So 1 times 15 is 15. We can see that in an array. I know that you worked on arrays, so I'm going to show that to you in an array. This is one row of 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. That is 1 times 15. Now, let's try 2. Do you think 2 would be a factor for 15? 2 times something equals 15. Let's think about that. If you said no, you're correct. This is an odd number. And we know that if it's a factor of 2, it would need to be an even product. So let's try 3. What times 3 could possibly be 15? This is where you can do something called trial and error and test it out. So let's say I wasn't sure and I tried 3 times 4. Now I could do an array to figure out for sure what 3 times 4 is, but I'm sure that most of you know this fact. 3 times 4 is 12. So we know by trial and error that we would have to go a little bit higher here. So let's try 3 times 5. 3 times 5 is 15. 5, 10, 15. So we know that the other factors of 15 are 3 and 5. Now these are just a couple ways to figure out what factors are needed. You will probably have to use trial and error as you are learning this and as you start to master your facts a little bit better. All right, everybody, I hope this helps.